Hi, Kidsville family. The 4th of July is a time for fun, fireworks, and lots of food, but before your little ones dig in, let's talk about keeping them safe and happy at the table. Today we're sharing quick tips on safe foods for kids this Independence Day. Let's start with a big one, choking hazards. Foods like whole grapes, hot dogs, popcorn, and hard candies can be risky for younger kids. Always cut grapes and hot dogs lengthwise, and skip anything too hard or sticky for toddlers. Many July 4th dishes contain common allergens like nuts, eggs, and dairy. If your child has food allergies, make sure dishes are labeled clearly at parties, or better yet, bring a safe plate just for them. We all love red, white, and blue desserts, but be mindful of too much sugar. Offer festive fruit instead. Watermelon stars, blueberry skewers, and yogurt parfaits are fun, colorful, and kid-friendly. Let your child pick from safe options and build their own plate. When kids feel included, they're more likely to eat what's good for them and have fun doing it. The 4th of July is all about celebrating together, and that includes keeping our kids safe, healthy, and included at every meal. From all of us at Kidsville Pediatrics, we wish you a happy and safe Independence Day. And remember, if you have any questions or concerns, Kidsville Pediatrics is just one call away.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it and want to see more great content from Kidsville Pediatrics, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video.